Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Thursday, the 6th of November. Starting by taking a look at tomorrow's weather map, we can see a low pressure system and low pressure trough moving across those inland parts of Western Australia, pushing into South Australia through the course of tomorrow. Now they'll generate areas of showers and thunderstorms through those parts of the country tomorrow. In fact, we may even see some showers pushing into the far southeast of the country later in the day. Otherwise, across eastern states of Australia tomorrow, fairly settled conditions are expected. We're also likely to see increasingly settled weather returning to the west coast, although it will be cool in southerly flow. Let's take a state-by-state look at tomorrow's forecast now, starting with a look at Queensland. Now, dry, sunny and mostly settled weather is expected across parts of southeast and central Queensland tomorrow. We are likely to see a few showers up the east coast, mainly for areas to the north of Rockhampton or so, with generally low rainfall totals in the gauges. Temperatures across Queensland tomorrow should be within a degree or two of the average, but we will likely see those severe heatwave conditions continuing in the far north. For Brisbane tomorrow, we are looking at a mostly sunny day with a top of 28 degrees. In New South Wales tomorrow, the chance of morning frost across the southern ranges. Then a sunny and settled day is expected across the state. We may see a little bit of cloud developing across those southern districts later in the day, but we're not expecting any rainfall. For Sydney tomorrow, a mostly sunny day with a top of 25 degrees. Down in Canberra, mostly sunny with a top of 24 degrees. In Victoria tomorrow, the chance of morning fog or possible frost across southern parts of the state, mostly patchy in those areas. It will be a sunny start to the day, but we're likely to see cloud building and showers developing from the west as the day goes on, pushing into some of those central districts later in the day. Rainfall totals should be on the lower side of things, however, to the end of Thursday. For Melbourne, after a sunny start, we'll see cloud building and showers developing through the afternoon. We are still likely to get to a top of 24 degrees. In Tasmania tomorrow, fresh west-southwesterly winds continue across the state. Mostly cloudy conditions as well, with showers across those western districts. Those showers will become more frequent later in the day as this cold front brushes through, and we're also likely to see those showers extending across the north as well. For Hobart tomorrow, it will be a mostly cloudy day, but we should get to 19 or 20 degrees in the capital. For South Australia tomorrow, our low pressure system and low pressure trough will move through the west and into central parts of the state through the day, with that trough deepening into a cold front as the day goes on. We're likely to see areas of showers and thunderstorms extending from the west through those southern and central areas through the day. In fact, we could even see some severe thunderstorms in the far west through the early part of the day, which could bring us damaging winds, large hail or heavy rainfall. Generally, temperatures are going to be within a few degrees of the average, but we may see some fresh northerly winds ahead of that frontal system. For Adelaide tomorrow, we're looking at a shower or two on the forecast with a top of 26 degrees. In Western Australia tomorrow, our low pressure trough and low pressure system will move out of those inland districts through the early part of the day, but we're still likely to see some showers, rain areas and thunderstorms across the interior through the morning. In fact, we may even see some severe thunderstorms across the southeast early on before those clear out in the afternoon. Then we're going to be left with cool southerly flow pushing up across Western Australia. Mostly cloudy along the south coast with a few showers there, but a little bit more sunshine is expected further inland. For Perth, we're looking at a partly cloudy day with a top of 23 degrees. In the Northern Territory tomorrow, we're likely to see a few isolated showers and possible afternoon thunderstorms across the top end for our Thursday. We also may see some isolated thunderstorms developing across western parts of the Territory through the day. These are not likely to bring too much rain to the gauges, but may bring some gusty winds. Otherwise, we're looking at sunny and mostly settled weather for those central and southern parts of the Territory. Darwin tomorrow can expect a shower or two and a possible afternoon thunderstorm with a top of around 34 degrees. Now you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the Bomb Weather app or via our social media. Have a great day and we'll catch you next time.